How to install Fortnite without the Epic Games launcher. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Fortnite without using the Epic Games launcher. Open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to the search bar on the top and type in Rare GitHub. Now search for it, and on the result page, click on this first link. Inside this first link, you will land to this kind of interface. Scroll down and at the bottom, you will see this section, a front end for Legendary, the open source Epic Games launcher alternative. You can scroll down and read more about this alternative launcher. After doing so, scroll back up. Under Releases, you will see this link. Click on this link. Now you will land to this page. Scroll down and go to Assets. Under Assets, you will see the download link. Click on any download link that resonates with your version. Here I'm just gonna click on this link. Once you click on it, then the downloading process will begin. Select a specific folder where it is easier to locate. After that, click on Save to download. Once downloaded, it will be just like Epic Games. Inside, you can search for Fortnite and install it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.